Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into GitHub and opening New Gist. This gets you to the editor where you create your first snippet. Choose public or secret depending on who should see it. Name the file with an appropriate extension so syntax highlighting works, then paste code or notes into the content area. Once done, add a concise description to explain purpose and click Create Public Gist or Create Secret Gist to save. This immediate save gives you a permanent URL you can share. Now focus on organizing and iterating. Add additional files to the same gist when related code belongs together, and edit content inline in the browser for quick fixes. Make sure to click Update Public Gist after changes so every edit creates a new revision history. If you need alternate versions, fork the gist to preserve the original while experimenting. Use the star button to bookmark important snippets, and remember that each update preserves prior revisions so you can revert if necessary. To complete the workflow, share the gist by copying its URL or use the embed code to display it on a site. This makes collaboration simple. For local development, clone the gist repository with git clone and push commits back when ready. If you encounter problems saving or updating, first verify you are signed in and have permission, check file size limits, and confirm GitHub service status. If cloning fails, ensure your Git credentials are correct and retry. One troubleshooting tip: clear cached auth tokens and re-authenticate to resolve common permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.